How to fix Windows Update download error 0x80248014. Hello friends, this error is solved using Reset Windows 11. So relying on this video, you can use Reset PC as a starting method to save your time. If the issue still persists, then you can follow other methods. Let's start. Method 1. Reset PC. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to System. Scroll down. Click on Recovery. For reset this PC, click on Reset PC. Select Keep My Files. Click on Local Reinstall. Next. Click on Reset to start reset. After reset, try to install the update. The next method is try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Type the update number here, which is causing the error, and click on search. You will find multiple files in result. Download the file suitable for your computer and manually install using the MSU file. If the issue is still occurring, modify services. Click on search, type services. Click on services. Find Windows Update service. This one. Right click on this service. Select properties. Make sure that the startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, click on this drop down and select automatic. Service should be running. If the service is stopped, you will notice a highlighted start. Click on that. Click on apply. Click on OK. Then right click on Windows Update and select restart. Now look for App Readiness Service. Right click on this service, select properties. Make sure that startup type is automatic and service is running. Here service is stopped, so click on start. Click on OK. Right click on App Readiness, select restart. Then come to Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this service, select properties. Change the startup type to automatic if it is not. Then click on start. Click on apply. Click on OK. Right click on this service and select restart. Then look for cryptographic services. This one. Right click on this service, select properties. The startup type must be automatic and service must be running. If anything is not on your computer, then change the setting. Right click on cryptographic services, select restart. Close the services window. Go to Windows Update Settings. Click on Start, Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. If the error still persists, then reset Windows Update cache. We will recommend to reset Windows Update cache using a downloadable file. This is an easier method. So go to the video description and click on this link there. This will download a zip file. In your default browser, click on this folder icon. After downloading, click on extract all, select extract, right click on this batch file, select run as administrator, click on yes, press a key on your keyboard, wait for the completion. Again press any key to continue. Restart the computer and then check for updates again. You can run system files checker and DISM tool. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description and copy this command, press into the command prompt and hit enter. Then copy the DISM restore health command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the command prompt, close your other programs and restart your computer. Then try to install the update again. Uninstall third-party antivirus program temporarily. If any third-party antivirus is installed, uninstall it and then try to install the update. Right click on start, select installed apps. Find third-party antivirus in the list. To be fair, I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is third-party antivirus, then click on three dots, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall. Click on yes. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions until the complete removal and then restart your computer. After restarting, try to install the Windows update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.